Okay. So this session, I guess we are conducting for so long, right?
Yes,
When
yes,
did we have the last session, which I guess was fifth? I think I remember fifth session. We conducted the last, right?
yeah,
Hmm.
last month.
It's been a long time. I decided in between two, but then again, okay, no problem. Okay, so what was the topic? I forgot. I literally forgot the topic. I don't know.
Yeah, like you said to me, you should describe your pre present, past, future, and you have to use storytelling, like that type of.
Oh, okay. Present, past, future. Three in one story. Hmm.
Yeah,
I must have given the example too to you. Did you get what I told you? Did you get everything? Did you prepare?
yeah, I have prepared. I try my level best.
Okay, that is important. You have to try first. After that, everything will be work accordingly. Just try your level best, which is great. And I like about this, about you especially. Yeah. So just proceed whatever you have prepared.
Yeah, so I can start. So 15
Hmm.
years ago, when I was too young, so I was
Mm-hmm.
a shy and studious girl, but I loved to used to go school every day because I enjoy my study also, and
Mm-hmm.
I love drawing and painting also, and I love my father. He's
Mm-hmm.
my biggest uh but biggest strength for me. I love my father a lot, and when I come to my home, I share with my father everything. Time was passed when I entered my college, so the whole environment was new for me because I was the first girl in my family who went to college and was the first. And
Oh, okay.
I had a lot
Hmm.
of dreams because I want to become a teacher. I wanted to become a teacher since my childhood, but it's not easy.
Mm-hmm.
Then I enter in a B.Ed because my classmate they are from CBSE, ICSE board, and I am from UP board. So that time I had realized it's very difficult. It's very difficult. And then I thought that I should learn English. If I'm not learn this language, so it's not possible survive, especially these days in a present days. And that day,
Mm-hmm.
and that day maybe 4 months before, 4 months before, I scrolled my YouTube and I found you. I
Mm-hmm.
found you. And then I thought that she is that girl, yeah, the
Mm-hmm.
angel in my life. And after that, I take subscription, I talk with you, I create my YouTube channel, and I thought that, yeah, I can learn this language.
I
Yeah.
can do, yes.
And these days, I'm eagerly to improve my English communication skill just because of you. You are the biggest, what can I say? Biggest,
Motivation.
yeah, motivation. Yeah, you are the biggest motivation in my life. And
You can use
speaking,
motivation, inspiration. Yeah.
yeah, and speaking about future, so I want to become an effective communicator and teacher also. That's
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay, teacher also. Okay. Hmm. So it was great to know about yourself and the thing that you mentioned, whatever that happened, you remained resilient, I guess, because of the burning desire in you that you want to become a teacher, and still you are putting your efforts into it in the same direction, you are following the same path. That's great. Okay. One feedback that is when you are using again and again also with the 2 or 3 times you used also also I for your father too for something before, and then you said I want to teach her also something like that, so 2 times you use. So instead of using also again and again, try to inculcate a habit of using as well too. There are 3 things we can use. Also, you know already. Second, as well, I want to become a teacher as well. As well, now two, two. I guess you are aware about both of them,
yeah.
but you are not able to use. So start
I,
using deliberately while talking to others. One thing. Second, one is like. You didn't use like in this session, but in our paid session, I forgot to give you the feedback. So you were using like, many times. So that is a filler, and fillers are very, I guess, common. Like every English learner or every English speaker uses fillers. A lot of fillers. I personally use fillers. I also have a habit of using like and like. I mostly found like that is filler. So you can replace with other words such, etc. Such, etc. is things when you are talking about many things. Then you can use. But such is nice word you can use instead of like a lot of, right. Next is pronunciation. You have a little issues with, I guess, sure so sound. Like I had many problems with that. Like gradually I've improved a lot with the sure so sounds. I prepared, I revised some words constantly. So you can do one thing. Search on Google, put like words which ends with sure so sound, or words with sure so sounds. You can search on YouTube, you can search on Google, anywhere, and you will be able to get a lot of words there. Pronounce those words. Second thing I got as a feedback, like you can try some tongue twisters. Tongue twisters which will help you. But I found tongue twisters sometimes make you little frustrated because they
Yes,
are actually difficult to do that activity. So if you like, you can do. Otherwise, revise words where you have problem. Like if with any word you are facing any problem while pronouncing, just try to focus on that word. That would be, I guess, more much
and
better for you.
yeah, English also like a initial that English, but now the
Mhm.
yeah,
English. And it happens still with me too. When I am speaking consciously, I speak English. When I'm literally in the flow, or the story is running in my mind at that time, sometimes I also say English, sorry. But yeah, right is English. So nowadays, little bit enhanced my pronunciation. So you can also do that. Next feedback is past tense. You made a little mistakes with past tense. You were trying your level hard. Like I got to know, like you are just trying to keep in mind, like I have to say everything in past with ed form, with third form. That is what I got to know, and that is good about you. You tried, but still you've missed some words. You just pronounced with v1 form. Like when I enter in my B.Ed, when I entered, when I
right.
or two or three were more. I was not able to write down immediately, but yeah. But again, you tried your level best, so I guess you need to focus on the past tense, pronunciation, fillers. These are the things you can work upon on your own. I guess that is the only way, because no matter how a teacher or anyone tells, like they can give the feedback only,
Yes, yes.
but the end of the day, eventually we have to put our efforts, only then we can improve, right?
I
Yes, yeah.
also live in this thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now I would like to know that again, you have issues with past tense. So just let's do a little activity which is based on past tense. You have to share your experience of being in lockdown period. How was that period for you? What did you learn new during those 2 years?
Oh my God, how can I explain? During COVID,
Whatever you have learned, whatever you got to know about yourself, whatever you were preparing, anything, like you have to use the past tense. The basic motive is to use past tense. Yes.
okay, okay. Um, During COVID, uh, I had tried to learn something new, and that time was a little bit of tough time, not for me, but maybe entire world
Mm.
also. And yeah, during COVID, how can I explain the situation? Everything like
You were always with yourself. So you must be learning new things about yourself too. Like what are the things you liked very much at that time? What are the things that you got to know about yourself and something new? Like, okay, I am interested in that too. I can do this too. So something like that, whatever you got to know, or whatever the things that you tried to motivate yourself, to keep yourself motivated all the time. Like that was a tough time, you already mentioned, for everyone. So some people were learning about cooking. They learn some cooking, how to bake, anything, whatever they have done. I don't know much about it. I am not into it. So, and I got to know about myself a lot. And at that time I started talking to universe. I started strongly believing in the universe. I was preparing. I was also a little in depression, but because I was confused for my career. So anything, if you were confused, how did you deal with it? Anything?
Even during COVID, how can I explain? It's like a very, very tough time.
Hmm.
I share not.
Try.
So I have to say her not because how can I say?
See, if you are facing now problem, like you cannot explain about that period. So just now your homework is to write down about lockdown period. Like it was not a very small time. It was like 2 years. So you must have done something, right? You must have done something. You must have learned something. So you can share about that. Even though I was preparing for banking, I was not doing anything else. So I don't, still I also don't have much thing to share. But one thing I got to know about myself, that is I was aligned with myself. That was main thing happened to me. And whatever happened to you, you can share. I believe there must be a thing that happened to you. There must be a thing that you learned, because it is
To
a
be honest,
huge two
like a
years. Hmm.
lockdown period. It was very
Hmm.
tough.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, थोड़ा सा मैं सोच रही हूँ बताऊँ कि नहीं बताऊँ.
No
Mm,
problem. You can write down, you can prepare about it, and it is just for you. Prepare that, write down, and practice in front of mirror. And again, you are talking to many people nowadays. So whenever you have other session with any other, just ask them first. What did you do in lockdown period? What did you learn new in lockdown?
Mirror
Okay.
activity doesn't work on me, I think. I have tried, I have tried, but it doesn't work on me. Mirror activity especially. So these days
Mm,
I'm trying to like a phone video.
good. Good, that would be good. Yeah, yeah. Anything like mirror technique doesn't work for me too. I personally don't follow mirror technique, but I would try. I want to try that. I tried before, but it didn't work well. But I think I should try again.
On mirror technique, no one can tell you are doing many mistakes. So it's possible to, I mean, without say, without realizing how it's possible to improve. It's not possible. But
Yes,
recording is much, much better. When I record my session and I watch maybe twice and thrice, so I realize
good.
this type of mistake I have done in this like
Mhm.
this video.
Yeah, this technique is useful because with the help of videos, you can get to know about your the performance, how you performed, what are the mistakes you made, and
And
what are the
body language also how to like a postures and all.
Hmm. We
Yeah.
use for body language and posture, we use non-verbal communication. That is non-verbal communication. Okay, that the communication which your body does, the non-verbal communication. Okay, that's good idea. You can do. And second thing you are talking, that I already told you, to discuss, ask them and discuss whatever you have done, whatever you have learned. You must have inculcated new habits in yourself. You must have started doing exercise, yoga, meditation. People have started these things. Many people have started their YouTube channels. Many people started doing yoga. Some people learned cooking or painting, or many things have done people. So you can share and you can ask also. That would be good for you. Okay. Did we share these words? Like, did I ask you the opposite words which I prepared for beginners?
Yes, yes, yeah. Like
You
small,
did the activity.
shallow, yeah.
Yes, yes. Now I guess you must have learned those words which you didn't know, like shallow, deep, shallow, soft, hard. Okay, good, good. Okay, then that's it for today, for this session. In the next session, after coming back from home after Diwali, we will have. So I'll let you know on which topic we will discuss. I'll search a nice topic for you so you can prepare and we can discuss. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Do you have any question for me before ending the this session?
Yes. Like, yeah. While speaking, I should use some new words or not. Because when I learn any new words, so I forget.
Hmm.
I should follow new words or just stick with like an easy word, especially these
Mm-hmm.
days. And I forget.
Mm-hmm. If you like, if you are talking to me, you feel really comfortable in front of me. So while talking to a person with whom you are very comfortable, try to use new words. Because when you are using new word, you will feel a little fear in you, and you will be little like hesitate while using. So it will help you in front of people with whom you are very comfortable. You will be able to take some pauses. You will not feel that much fear. But if you are talking to a total stranger and you are not feeling comfortable, go with simple English. Okay, that will boost your confidence. And simultaneously, whenever you talk to me, try to use new words because I'm very patient with you. I can wait for your sentences. I can wait whatever you want to say. So you can try with me whenever. So just learn words. You can try whenever we have session. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So in a present time, when I talk to any people, so nowadays I'm trying to use new word like fabulous, fantastic, this type of well off. These I'm trying. And yeah, this type of activity I'm also doing with some other learners, co-learners.
Mm-hmm. Great, great. Yeah, like this, gradually we improve, and it is a really a long journey. Especially, I have heard from many people, first from many tutors, like this was a great, long journey to come till this situation, like become a fluent or confident speaker. First thing, after becoming little intermediate, we should not break the chain. We should not break the consistency, which is very important. So take care always of that consistency. Be consistent with the journey. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else?
No.
No. Okay, then bye bye. Happy Diwali. I think we will meet again after Diwali now. So happy Diwali to you and your family. Enjoy Diwali, enjoy your holidays. Okay?
Yeah, you also, ma'am. Have a great festival.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. And keep learning, keep practicing. After 2 days, you can take a break of 2 days, and after that, keep learning again. Okay? Bye bye then.